So if you're in this part of our country, by now you should have known that TikTok is not eligible for Nigeria, that monetization is not available for Nigerians on TikTok. All right. So you know that among the countries that TikTok are eligible for monetization, that Nigerian is not among. So if you're in this part of country, especially like somewhere like Nigeria, you should have known this already. So I'll be walking you through step by step on how you can create your own UK or US TikTok right here. Now, if you're asking me which of the country you should create, I highly and always recommend UK. All right, so that you will not have problem with the payment process when you want to update your payments and withdrawal, all those your account details. So I always advise people going for a UK TikTok. US TikTok is also good. They are eligible for monetization and they also pay. What we mean by monetization is, there are many there are many ways to monetize on TikTok, but there's one we always call content monetization. Content monetization. All right. So that one is like a kind of TikTok paying you for your views, for your engagement, for everything you have on TikTok. Unlike the other, as well as the other platform, content monetization. That's it. I know YouTube. I think if I could remember, sorry, TikTok. Nigerians are eligible for gifts. Those are the kind of things. If we are growing Nigerian TikTok, know that what you'll be earning is until you go live. People will be gifting you, or you want to do TikTok shop, you want to do this partnership, running promotion for others. That's the only way you can earn. But TikTok will not pay you for your views. Even if you post something, you have up to 100k, 1 million followers, and you post something, you have like 2 million views, you will not be paid for it. Meanwhile, there are people who actually earning from TikTok from as little as 1k views, 500 views, even 200 views. TikTok will be paying you. So let me walk you through a step-by-step process on how you can create your own international TikTok account and get paid. And if the first thing you want to do is, first thing before you go into this, you need to have an active VPN. You need to have an active VPN. As for me, I always recommend. As for me, what I will recommend for you is you go ahead. Here we have VPN Super. Here we have Super VPN. This is one I mostly recommend for almost everybody that asked me which VPN can they go for. If you don't have it, you just need to go to your Play Store. You just need to go to your Play Store or Apple Store. If you are using iPhone, go to your Apple Store and then do search for it. Go to the search bar. When you go to the search bar, just search for VPN Super. All right, when you search for VPN Super, you see this is the VPN Super, the one that I have installed in my phone. You can see this one, I have it already installed in my phone. If you don't have it installed in your phone, you go ahead and install it. After installing it, let's go ahead and open the VPN. Now when you go to open the VPN, what you have is, I would like you to connect it to US. Let's go with US TikTok account. All right, so once all this thing comes up, you close all this. We are going to use the free version, the free features. All right, so here that you are seeing, anything that comes up, always close it. Here that we are seeing location and you are seeing fastest, I want you to go ahead and click on the fastest. Then go ahead and search for recent. My own recently I've been using London, so you can as well go ahead and use London. Click on London. Choose any location that you want to connect it to. All right. Choose any location that you want to connect it to. You can as well search for location. Now let this location be where you want to open your TikTok account. All right. So I will just go ahead and click on and select London. We have the United States logo here already. We'll click on London. Now you pick anyone here that is available. All right. So let me go to my recent and just pick the ones I normally use. Now ads will come up. You can allow the ads to play after play, because you are using a free version. You are not using the paid one. So allow the ads to play after the ad have finished loading. Be patient. So for the purpose of this class, let's just fast forward this. So when you finish, you see it here, you are connected to London. All right, so as you can see, the VPN is connected. The next thing you want to do is go ahead and create a Gmail. If you have a Gmail that you've used before, you can go ahead and use it. If you don't have it, you can go ahead and create a new Gmail. All right,
we'll go ahead to sign up to email. Now let me get to my email. I will just go ahead and search for where my Gmail is. Now when I search for my Gmail, I will open it. I will allow it to load up and then open. When it's loaded up and open, I will go to where I have my Gmail, and then I will go down to add another Gmail account. When I go to add another Gmail account, I will click on the Google account. Now we are adding a Google account. This is a Google account that I want to sign up new Gmail. It will ask me if I should authorize it. I will authorize. All right, so I will click on create a new account. What I want to do here is we are creating a new account for personal use, not business. So I will go ahead and type on my name, Prince David. All right, I'll use that as my name and my surname. Now using that as my name and my surname, the day I will ask for date of birth. Let me just put first May 998 997. Let me not use first. Me actually use 27. You can use whatever you want to use. Alright, so let me use a year 2000. You go ahead and select your gender. When you go ahead and select your gender, you click on next. After clicking on next, it will load up and then it will ask you for a username that you want to use. So let me username. Let me use Prince David. I'll use Prince David. No, there should not be space here. Alright, so I will delete it again. What is it? David 111. Let me use this Prince David 111. I'll click on next. If this username is available, I will be allowed. But if it's already taken, as you can see here, that username is already taken. Alright. Prince David. Let me put class, Prince David class, and see what happens here. Alright, so the username is available. I will be asked to select a password. Alright, so I will type in my password here. Okay, and I will click on next. Once I click on next, it will load up and brings, if I want to save this password, so I will put my name. That was Prince David class, and I will ask to verify my phone number. Guys, this is where you don't have any problem. Even if you are creating this, you want to use this for do some kind of business or whatever, you don't have any problem here. So you can actually add any phone number of the choice that you want to add here. Okay, so I will go ahead and add my Nigerian phone number. Don't forget, whether you are in Nigeria or any country that you want, this does not stop you or affect you in any way adding a phone number to this email that you want to create now. All right, so I'll go ahead and add my phone number here. First of all, you select your country of residence. When you select your country of residence, you go ahead and type in your phone number. 80. Alright, so you confirm your phone number. When you click on next, you will be told that not now. Alright, so a code will be sent to your phone number. You can just go ahead and check your SMS right now. So after checking your SMS, a code is supposed to be sent to you. As for me, a code has been sent to me, so I will just enter the code that is sent to me right here. Alright, so the code is 594862. 594862. I will enter and click on next. Now when I click on next, I will be asked to go through here, this or that. Yes, I am in. All right, so you already have an account, whatever. Oh, I already have an account. I'll continue creating new account. So this is telling me that I already have an account. If I make a mistake, I want to continue, so I'll click on continue creating the account. Review your account info, whatever. I'll click on next. All right, choose your settings, whatever. Choose one step, make a single choice that applies to all settings. All right, so I will click on this one and I will select. All these things are just minor things. I will accept all the terms and conditions. I'll review and confirm. Now once I review and confirm, give me terms and the other one was not privacy and terms. I'll go ahead and accept, and once I finish all those things, and then my new Gmail is ready. Since my new Gmail is ready, what I want to do is I will have to go to TikTok, and then I will continue creating my new TikTok account. Don't forget I said we are to use don't forget I said that we can use TikTok web if you have a problem. I'm using TikTok web for the purpose of those that are using Android phone, because this is the best way. If you are using Android phone. So you go ahead and search for TikTok. When you go ahead and search for TikTok, the next thing all these things will pop up. Just you have to make sure you accept all the conditions that they are giving you. All right, TikTok sign up. Search for TikTok sign up, then the sign up link will appear. Click on sign up. When you click on sign up, it will take you to where you have to sign up. All right, so as I said earlier, if you want to sign up TikTok, and then you are seeing this here, by continuing with an account, whatever, Nigerian, just know that you've been messed up. All right, so here I forgot to on my VPN. That's why you are seeing that. I'll go ahead and turn on my VPN. If my VPN is not here, I'm using a different phone rather. All right, so I'll go ahead on this very phone and download the VPN. So you give me a few minutes. Once I finish downloading the VPN, I'll come back. All right, so the VPN is already here. So I'm done with the installing the VPN. I'll go ahead and click on open. After clicking on open here, I'll wait for it to load up. Don't forget, all these things will come. So I'll agree, allow, whatever. I'll close this. I'm not proceed with ads. All right, okay, allow. So I'll go ahead and click on fastest. As I said, take London. Super VPN would like to add whatever. Okay, so we just give it all necessary permission as required. All right, so you come back here, it's connecting, and you can see boom, it's connected. All right, so now after it's connected, the next thing we have to do is to go back to our Chrome browser. Don't forget, on our Chrome browser, what I used was an incognito tab, as it is called. All right, so go ahead and search for this TikTok sign up. again. When you search for TikTok sign up, it will comes up. You click here that they say sign up. When you click here that they say sign up, it will load up and take you to where you can actually sign up. Don't forget, when we checked the first time, we were asked sign up by Nigerian whatever. They gave us rules, which was the reason why I did not sign up. Okay, for here you can see that by continuing, you agree to TikTok terms and services. That Nigeria is no longer showing again. So that's to tell you that you are ready to sign up, and the country that will be used for you by default will be the country that you set your VPN to. Right, so we'll go ahead. Okay, so what I will want you to do is to log in your TikTok. Log in your TikTok through the TikTok web. Or if you don't have a TikTok yet, just go to tiktok.com. When you go to tiktok.com, normally this is the TikTok home screen. Whether you are signing or you are not signing, you start seeing videos. Okay. So when you type on tiktok.com, automatically it will bring you to a normal TikTok homepage. Here it's asking me to switch to normal TikTok app. But no, I don't want to use the TikTok app, so we'll click on no for now. All right. So what you want to do is to go ahead and click on this. Go ahead and click on this button where we have the profile button. Go to your profile, and as you can see here, there's no TikTok that is logged in here. So I'll click on login. When I click on login, don't forget you have your own email already which you created, you want to use for this. So when you go here, you come here, if you are seeing this by continue down here, you see by continue you agree to TikTok terms and services. They did not include Nigerian TikTok terms and services. Just know that you are creating the international, and the location that is going to be shown to you is an international location based on the VPN you connected. So okay, so go ahead and click on continue with Google. Don't go with username or whatever, just click on continue with Google, and then we have choose an account you want to continue with. Now we have this email that we created. All right, so I will click on the Prince David class. When I click on it, it will load up and then brings up this for me, and then I will click on continue. Once I click on continue, the next thing that will be shown to me is okay, here is asking me to put the email again. So no problem, I'll put the Prince David class. PrinceDavidClass@gmail.com. So go ahead and click the PrinceDavidClass@gmail.com, and I will be asked to put the password. I will just go ahead and put the password that I use for this very email here. And then after putting the password that I use for this very email, I'll click on next. It will load up and ask me, you are signing back to TikTok. I will agree. Alright, so it will load up and ask me to select two objects that are the same shape. Alright, so we have P here and we also have P here. I'll click on next. It will be verified, and I'm good to go. I have to do my date of birth, so I will choose my date of birth. Here will ask me to choose a username, one that is suggested to me. Basic Technologies one. Alright, so now I have a message here, you are logged in. Alright, so when they said you are logged in successfully, this is a new TikTok account that is created. So what I want to, how do you know that if this TikTok account is a UK or a US, or if it's okay? Alright, so you go ahead to where you have your profile again, go to where you have this button at the top here, then go to manage account. When you go to manage account, you can see your account region. We have United Kingdom. Alright, and the next thing you want to see, let's check if monetization is eligible, if this account is eligible for monetization. You go to where we have this. Okay, I think that will only be on the TikTok app. That's where we'll be able to see that, the TikTok Creator Studio. And here you will not be able to see Creator Studio, at least not for now, because this is just a fresh account. Alright, if not, when you go to the three dots, you're supposed to see TikTok Creator Studio or whatever. From there you can check if the eligible, whatever the eligibility for monetization. Alright, intellectual property policy, this is always on a UK account, but nevertheless we have a UK account here. Account region is UK. So what I want you to do is that you have to keep this account, just keep this account without users. Let's keep it for at least of 24 hours before you can come in and log in here. And when you log in, don't post anything, start engaging. You cannot just create an international account and then the next thing you just start posting. It looks as if it's a robot. So you just have to go ahead and start engaging, check other videos, watch people's videos, comment, likes, if possible share. Yeah, if possible share. Doesn't cost you anything. Alright, and don't follow anybody first, just continue to, if you can do that for at least 1 day or even 2 days, it's better, so that you won't. Alright, thank you. That's how you can create it.